On question number 7, our answer is never. And the reason it's never is if you have two vertical angles or two lines intersecting forming vertical angles and one of them is acute, we know it's vertical angle is acute, and we know it's a linear pair, so we know they're supplementary. So if one angle is acute, the other has to be obtuse. So it's impossible to have two acute angles that are supplementary. If we take a look at number 8, it's not so clear how you're going to solve this because I never gave you any expression for KLH. But do use the fact that we know our vertical angles are congruent. So we're going to say 4x plus 22 equals 5x minus 3. Well, let's solve for x. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides. At the same time, let's add 3 to both sides. So then we get 25 equals x. Now that doesn't help us solve for KLH, except it can help us solve for angle GLK. That'll be 4 times 25 plus 22. So in other words, they get 122 here. So I know this angle is 122 and this angle is 122. So to find the measure of angle KLH, what they're asking for, I know they're supplementary, so I take 180 minus 122, and that's how we get 58 degrees for an answer. On number 9, I'm going to do this a little bit differently than the answer I have in red, although the answer in red is correct. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let my angle be x. And then we know the supplement is going to be 180 minus x. Well, it says an angle is 5 degrees less than 4 times its supplement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my angle is x. It's 5 degrees less than, so to make them the same, I'm going to add 5 equals 4. Whoa. Equals 4 times the supplement. This is a different way of doing it than the textbook solutions. That's where this comes from, is from your textbook. And we want to solve for x now. So in other words, distribute. So we get x plus 5 equals distribute 4 times 180 and 4 times x. Well, 4 times 180 is 720, and then minus 4x. Let's get all the x's on the same side. I always like to move the one that's smaller. So I add 4x to both sides. At the same time, let's subtract 5 from both sides. So then we get 5x equals 715. So divide by 5. X is going to be 143 degrees. And then to find the supplement, we take 180 minus x. So 180 minus 143 would give us 37 degrees. If you did it the other way, you should get that same answer.